Hello guys and welcome back for some more Minecraft. I'm here, Slackmander with Lyremaster, and today we're gonna build a house, some farming, and a lot of other stuff. So guys, I'm so sorry because my other video, Minecraft Survival, didn't work so well. All of it got destroyed, my world, my everything, so now we're restarting it today. I'll just name it Season 2. So guys, enjoy the video. So guys, I'm here with Lyremaster, if you can see, and I've forgiven him for killing my horse.
Just say fuck. All I wanna say to you guys, fuck you.
So guys, he's already starting some homes.
For our fucking posts. Hey, you the fuck shit, huh?
I'll take this
Don't take that.
and let him die. So I'm just gonna go around, find wood,
You the fucking shit, man.
That's
Okay,
all.
okay? The fuck you. We got this. Hey, that's video. We have a video. Huh?
So guys, I'm gonna take some wood and all the other things that I can see.
Nakapicture yan, babe.
Yes.
Nakapicture mo.
No.
Okay. We get down.
So I'm gonna take some wood.
I will make this fucking horse. I got this, baby. I got this.
So sorry guys, my friend is so stupid.
Stupid. For fighting.
And
so fast. My friend is so battling. So gay, baby. So gay. So gay, baby.
so
He's so gay.
I'm gonna take some wood and ignore him.
He's the fucking shit, huh?
Guys, please
Subscribe. Don't subscribe this, guys.
don't subscribe to Lyremaster. And please don't like his two other videos that says must watch.
I will give you guys an iPhone cell phone if you subscribe my video.
He's lying.
I will hunt you and I will make sure that you have the best iPhone.
He doesn't even have an iPhone.
I have an iPhone.
He has a flare phone.
Fuck you, man. Why do you say my phone? You're gonna shit, boy. We gotta go this. I don't know what we need.
So guys, I'm gonna ignore him.
Ignore what?
I'm gonna ignore him. Just ignore him.
Because he's the fucking shit, right? He's the fucking shit.
Oh no, it's going there. It's going. Where are you, dude? It's going night. I'm scared.
Because you're ugly.
What the fuck did you say?
You're ugly, you say.
What the fucking did you say?
You're ugly.
What the fuck, dude?
LPGs. Lots of zombies.
So guys, I'm just gonna ignore what he says and just go to the video. So I'm gonna make my own house, just creating something, and that's all.
LPGs, help me. Lots of zombies in here, baby.
He died.
Oh, man.
Help! Yes, no zombies, only skeletons. He's using cheats.
Who?
I'm so sorry that Lara Master's a cheater.
I'm not a cheater. I'm just a fucking cheater.
So guys, please like and subscribe if you watch the video for more videos, okay guys? And now I'm still gonna ignore Lara Master
Fuck you, man. Fuck you.
and make my home. More that. I will make that the last one. I'll make that. Make that. So glad Lara Master shutted his mouth.
Why do you think you fucking cheater?
Oh, come on.
Why do you say me, huh?
Oh, come on. He's back.
I'm here. You fucking cheater.
Okay, guys, remember what I said. Never like and subscribe to Lara Master's videos. Okay, guys? If you agree, leave a comment down below and I'm gonna read it.
Help me here, bro. I'm the loudest dozy, man. Loudest dozy. Woo. Loudest dozy, man. Loudest dozy.
Die and go to Minecraft hell. Okay?
Help me, man.
Okay, bro?
Where are you?
I'm nowhere.
What? Where are you, man? There's a zombie in here. What the fuck? Help me, bro. Where
Ha.
are you?
I'm
I'm
hiding.
Yay!
Haha! You died.
Hey, man, where are you, man? I'm just watching you. The fucking video.
So I'm gonna take this
I like
and this. Don't listen to him. He doesn't like any of those kind. He's just drunk or something. So I'm just gonna take this
Hey, bro, you
and make a bed.
want an iron sword?
There we go. Now let's make a bed
Hey, look at you, man.
the wool that I
Swan in
stole.
here, man. Where
There
are
we
you?
go. Now I'm gonna put this bed here and
There
sleep.
you go, baby.
I'm sleeping, baby.
Yeah, I love that, man. I love that. You're the fucking shit, man.
Oh God, no! No, you piece of, I don't know, skin. Come on, Lara Master! Make a bed already!
I
And-
do have a bed.
oh, come on!
Okay.
Get some fucking wood! And you already have wool because you killed thousands of sheep.
Yeah, I killed that. No cheat, baby. No cheat.
Of course, no cheat.
But you're a gay.
F word. Even if I said it a lot of times, I'll say to you F word.
Wanna fight me, man? Wanna fight me?
You're lucky my dad doesn't want me to fight.
Because your daddy's a gay. That's joking, man.
I'm gonna tell you.
Hey, I
And
love
then you and your dad and my dad will box. And your dad will black eye.
you. Say, hey, man, get out of that bed.
Oh, come on, dude. This is my bed.
I don't care.
How about get some wood and craft a bed?
I
God.
don't.
So guys, I'm gonna return to the video when it's morning. So guys, it's already morning and we heard so many zombies that we stayed all morning. Oh, come on. Take this. Take this. Put your bed. Oh, this is your bed, not mine. Die, dude. EX? This is mine now, bro. Oh, creeper, 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 creeper. Creeper, dude. Creeper, run for your life, dude. You wanna live? Zombies. God, zombies. So I'm just gonna end the video early because my phone doesn't have many spaces left. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna make it like 15 minutes or so. All I can say is I'm sorry if you wanted it to be longer. And that's all. So just take this wood. Take more.
Hello, my name is Jackson and Rodriguez. From the five.
Sorry guys, my friends. What did you do to your home, dude? What the what? Guys, are you seeing this? He broke his own home.
I don't care what.
He's such an idiot. So guys, subscribe or like if he's an idiot. I'll put your bed here. You have to fix all of this. Take your TNT.
I take my TNT. Hey man,
Ooh, one coal. That will be.
don't get my TNT, you fucking shit, man. Hey!
Take all of this from him so that he cannot explode any houses ever again. Ow! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Dude!
What?
What the fuck?
What the fuck, too? I want to get...
Oh, my home. I'm back. So this is the spawn point. Die, cow. I want your meat. I want your meat. There we go. You're lucky you're my cousin, Slackmander. I mean, Liar Master.
What?
You're lucky you're my cousin.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Or else I'm gonna.
Oh, wait a minute, man. A zombie.
I don't care, dude. Just die and go to hell.
Yeah.
Take this wood, take that wood, take more wood, wood. And it's almost time to end the video, guys,
Why?
because my phone can't take any more videos like the last time. Low battery. So guys, please like and subscribe for more videos if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!